Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw house and a bird house. First, I'm going to draw a tree. Now let's draw bird house. Little bird. Now I'm going to draw a house. I like to draw and color. If you like to draw, please join me. A straight line, another bush. Now I'm going to draw door. Two windows. It's time to color. I'm using dark green color for tree. Brown color for tree trunk. To color our house, I'm using pink color. You can use any color of your choice. For roof, I'm using dark blue. For door, dark blue. Yellow color for roof. Now let's color birdhouse. Orange color. I'm using orange color. Red color. For windows, I'm using light blue color. Brown color. Light green color. Oh, I forgot to draw chimney. Let's draw chimney. Our drawing is complete. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.